Hey there, it's Shody Green. I want to tell you a bug story. This juicy grub and some of its friends were collected from a damaged tree branch that came down in last summer's storm. And after keeping it as a pet for 7 months, I finally have my first adult hermit beetle. The larvae of this scarab beetle feed on rotting wood and at their largest can be up to 1.5 inches long. When they're ready to pupate, they use wood and debris mixed with secretions to form a protective cocoon around themselves to complete their metamorphosis. Hermit beetles are also called hermit flower beetles or leather beetles because of the odor they produce when disturbed. Adult beetles are nocturnal, hiding during the day and flying around lights at night. These beetles are decomposers as larvae and sap and fruit feeders as adults. If you see any form of this beetle in fallen trees in your yard, it's a sign of decay, so check the health of your tree. Hermit beetles are not pests, but they make great pets.